Hi, my loves. Hope you're all staying strong. With everything that's been going on around us, I haven't been able to quite focus on work, but today I just wanted to quickly drop by and share a couple of self soothing practices with you all and remind you to take care of yourself. So let's start. Get into your most comfortable clothes and make yourself a warm drink. Herbal teas have been my go-to since past 1 year, or if you can, make yourself some comfort food. Lower the lights during the late hours of the night and plug in your favorite music, something that suits your mood perfectly. So instead of your overthinking, anxiety and fear taking over, let the music take over you. Grab your favorite blanket or pillow, lie down for a while and have a few deep breaths. You can also give yourself a butterfly hug, which is simply putting both your palms in a crossed position like this on your chest, joining your thumbs to make the body of a butterfly and tapping gently. While you do this, bring your attention to the present moment and to your breath. Get in touch with warm water. This includes getting a warm bath, soaking your feet in warm water, or simply washing your hands with it. This is an extremely effective grounding and self-soothing practice. There's another breathing technique called the square box or box breathing, where you inhale for about 5 seconds, hold for 5 seconds, exhale for 5 seconds, and hold again for 5 seconds. You keep on repeating this process until you calm down, and you can adjust the seconds to 3, 4, 5, whatever suits you. The intention is to have controlled and slow breathing. It's very simple yet powerful technique, and which personally works the best for me. Get some fresh flowers from your garden and put them in water inside your house. This instantly lifts the mood and changes the vibe around you. Put your hand on your heart and feel your heart beat. That's the sound of you surviving. Tell yourself you will be safe, you will be okay. Let yourself cry if you feel it coming. And finally, a visualization practice, which I also shared on my Instagram stories the other day. Visualizing a calm place works like magic. I have my 2 personal favorites. Number 1 is imagining myself inside a warm, cozy wooden cabin somewhere deep in the mountains while it's snowing outside. And number 2 is entering a lavender field and feeling all that freshness and beauty while imagining a white or violet light around me. These 2 give me a sense of calm and safety as I be there in the moment for some good minutes. I hope you find some of these techniques useful. Signing off for now with prayers in my heart for everyone suffering at the moment. May this pandemic be over for all of us soon. Until then, stay strong, safe and healthy. Take care everyone.